I, Philomena Mbetemwilu, Deputy Chief Justice.
I am terribly committed to the transformation agenda. I was not forced to do this. I will never be forced. I started it long before. No one will attempt to bribe me. Irrespective of your personal views, in court, I deal with the business that takes me to court. I don't care who appears before me. The law is blind to gender.
Video and drama.
Lady Justice Philomena Mbetemwilu is a Kenyan judge who serves as the Deputy Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya and Vice President of the Supreme Court of Kenya since 28th of October 2016. The charismatic Lady Justice, who wears the law like a tailor-made suit, striding across corridors of justice for 34 years and counting, has had an illustrious, industrious and well-manicured legal profession, characterized with a fair share of debacles, compelling her to be steadfast to keep up with her career. Born on the 15th of April in 1957 in Kaiti Division, Kilala location in Makueni County, Lady Justice Philomena Mbetemwilu schooled at Alliance Girls. Lady Justice Philomena Mbetemwilu graduated in the year 1984 from the University of Nairobi with a Bachelor of Laws degree and Masters of Law degree, and was admitted as an advocate of the High Court of Kenya in the same year. From the year 1984 to 1991, she served at Mudhoga, Gaturu and Company Advocates and also Mutungu and Company Advocate. She was in private legal profession in various law firms in Nairobi for the first 7 years following her admission to the bar. Thereafter, she ventured into corporate world, working as a senior legal officer in insurance. From the year 1991 to 1997, she served as the Jubilee Insurance Committee Limited. From the year 1999 to 2001, Lady Justice Philomena Mwilu served as the Board Secretary of Electricity Regulatory Board and later as the Director on the Board of the Nairobi Water and Sewerage Company. In the year 2007, she joined the judiciary and served in the Commercial Division of the High Court in Nairobi and later the High Court in Eldoret. She was later transferred to Nairobi in 2011, where she served at the Criminal Division and subsequently headed the Environment and Land Division of the High Court. In November 2012, following a competitive selection process, Lady Justice Philomena Mwilu was elevated to the Court of Appeal, where she served as the Judge of the Appeal until her appointment as the Deputy Chief Justice, taking oath of office on the 28th of October 2016. On 3rd May 2017, she was elected by her colleague judges of the Supreme Court to represent them as a commissioner of the Judicial Service Commission. On the same year, she was also in the bench that had the presidential election petition, and she was among the judges that nullified Uhuru election. Impressive career on paper, but she has also had a couple of debacles in her way. On 24th of October 2017, Lady Justice Mwilu Gad Musyoka was shot and injured, and on the following day she didn't appear for the ruling on presidential election rerun. This was barely days after Uhuru Kenyatta said that he would revisit the judiciary for nullifying his election. On the 28th of August 2018, Philomena Mwilu was arrested and charged with several offenses relating to property and loan transactions with the then Imperial Bank, which had collapsed by then. She was released on a 5 million bond, later acquitted after the allegations leveled against her were not substantiated.
I have been acquitted by the vetting board. The Judicial Service Commission has considered this, and I am praying that this can finally come to an end and give me peace.
Legislators in the country have also taken issue with her.
Mara nyingi ametukana wakina mama. Tumefika kwa mahakama yake akapeleka wakina mama na makesi ya wakina mama vibaya. Siamini ya kwamba akipewa kesi ya wakina mama atamalizia vizuri kulingana na vile katiba imewekwa.
I do not know which part of me looks male. I am very feminine. I am a woman. And I know the challenges that women face. I have supported the woman's cause in my way. But the law is blind to gender.
But in the midst of all that, she has always remained bold and underscored that she always uphold professionalism and integrity in her work.
Irrespective of your personal views, in court, I deal with the business that takes me to court. I don't care who appears before me.
Following the retirement of Chief Justice David Maraga and before Martha Koome was appointed as the Chief Justice, Philomena Mwilu served as acting Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court of Kenya from the 11th of January 2021 to 19th of May 2021, making her the first woman to hold that office. Justice Philomena Mwilu also serves as the Judiciary Ombudsman and the chair of the Implementation Monitoring Committee of the Sustaining Judiciary Transformation SJT, a service delivery at 2017 to 2021. While Mwilu started acting as the Chief Justice on the 13th of December 2020, when Maraga went on terminal leave ahead of his retirement, the final official handover of the instruments of power took place on 11th of January 2021. Her term as the acting Chief Justice ended on the 19th of May 2021, following the appointment of Martha Koome as the 15th Justice of the Republic of Kenya. And in giving back to the community, Lady Justice Philomena Mwilu has passionately role-modeled for the girl child and has actively mentored many girls and boys in secondary schools across the country by visiting their schools and giving much-needed guidance. She has actively participated in church events, including assisting in construction of churches as well as in charity events. For her service to the society, the Deputy Chief Justice was decorated on 11th of April 2017 by the Head of State, His Excellency Emeritus Uhuru Kenyatta, with the award of Moran of the Golden Heart. That has been the making of Lady Justice Philomena Mbete Mwilu, and I'm Kagonda Kelvin.